Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Metallic Media. In today's video, I am sharing with you two ways from which you can make money in the form of cryptocurrency. So, if you want to learn how to make money using these two ways, without doing much of work, then you are at the right place. So follow my steps and you will be making a lot of money by using these two ways. I have made around from this first method around 8,000 to $9,000, and from second method I have currently on around $1,000. So both ways are very simple and it does not take much of your time. If you want to make it extra income, these two are great for you. First we have Brave browser. How can you make money from Brave browser? I will show you. First of all, you have to download Brave browser. I have given you link in the description, so you have to click in that and download the Brave browser. And if you don't know about what is Brave browser, Brave is a browser just like Chrome, which works with the search engine of Chrome, but it is also blocker. It means if you play YouTube, you will not see ads. But in Brave browser there is another system of earning, that is Brave rewards, from which if you turn on Brave ads you will earn money. I have 10 USD which I have earned from ads. You can see right there. This month I haven't earned, but the previous month I have earned 10 USD from just Brave ads, just using browsers such just like Chrome. If you are in USA, you can convert it to Amazon gift cards or Walmart gift cards. And if you are outside USA, you have to withdraw fund to uphold, and you can simply transfer it to your bank account, or you can convert it to any cryptocurrencies or in your credit card. So it's that simple. And after that, after you install the Brave browser, you have to just enable that ad, and you have to use this browser for 1 to 2 months, because uh, it will detect which kind of ad you like the most. According to your choices, it will serve you the ad which is best for you, and from which you could make good money. And in Brave there is also another system, that if you are a publisher, if you have a YouTube account, or if you run any website, you could also invite your friends to Brave and also earn a lot of money. For every friends it gives around $7.5 is the highest, and if you are from other countries it may vary. So another we have Coinbase. It is also simple to earn from Coinbase. Just you have to do is to invite your friends, and you have to invite your friends, just like if you go from the if you join Coinbase from the link below, link in description, you will get $10 for absolutely free when you trade $100. Just like if you buy $100 or sell $100, you will automatically get $10. And if you invite your friend will also get $10 when he or she exchange, buy or sell the cryptocurrency of worth $100, and in that process you will also get $10. So this is the best invite and on offer. I don't see any reasons not to join this both. So if you want to make money, these are very good websites, very trusted, so you can start earning. And another ways from which you can earn cryptocurrency in Coinbase is that you have to just click in on crypto, here right now, here right here, on crypto. And after that you have to join this watch list. So after that certain time they will automatically send you this token or worth of $10, $15. I have received one or two, and I am joined in almost all of this. So it's a great deal if you want to earn money without doing anything. So these are the simplest way around the internet to earn money. And the best thing about it is that they are running from many years, so it is very trustworthy. So if you like it, links are in description, both of Coinbase and Brave browser. Go check it out and download it. I hope it will help you to grow financially. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, it's always a good deal to subscribe my channel, because it does not take you anything. You just have to click and subscribe. And if you like this video, please encourage me by giving many likes and positive comments. It will really help me. Thank you.